Hi, my name is Wick Nixon from Wicked Wellbeing, and I actually haven't done a live Facebook video for a while with the school holidays and things happening, but I decided that I needed to get back into it. So for those of you who don't know, Wicked Wellbeing is all about healthy meals made easy, and I just want to inspire you how to create healthy dishes. So today we are making a summer pesto salad, and I made this twice over the weekend, and it's just so quick and easy. And I've got 5 ingredients all out of my garden. So we're going to start with some cucumber. This was out of my garden. I'm just going to chop that up into large chunks.
Hello.
Oh,
Hi,
I'm just doing a live Facebook video, if that's okay. Just had someone arrive at the door, which is always a little bit random. So I'll just chuck that in there. And a tomato out of my garden. Sorry. Chop that up. My tomatoes are in absolute abundance at the moment. Sorry, that was just the meter guy, so he's taking some photos outside. And I have got a avocado here, so for those of you who don't know, you just slice the avocado around the middle there, pull it apart, and then I do use a blunter knife to just cut into little cubes. I'm actually just making enough it'll probably be too much for my lunch today, but you can easily amend the quantities for this. And then I've got some lettuce out of the garden, some fresh basil out of the garden, which I will chop up, and a corn cob, fresh corn cob out of the garden. And did you know that you can just eat corn raw? So you just slice it down the edge, just like that, and throw that in. And then you can either put feta into it, or I have got some shaved Parmesan cheese here, which I'll just tear up and put into there. Now for the dressing, it's got 4 ingredients. I've got some melted coconut oil in here with some lemon juice. So the actual quantities are 1/4 cup of oil, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and 2 tablespoons of pesto. I've got some pesto here. And some salt and pepper. And then you just pour that over. So if you were making this earlier and serving it up later, I would suggest just to add the dressing right at the end. And there you have got such a beautiful fresh summer salad that is so quick and easy. Now I'll probably have that for lunch and just add a little bit of tuna as some form of protein. If this really simple and easy dish really appeals to you, I'd love to introduce you to the Wicked Wellbeing Kitchen Club. It's my 4-week online healthy meal plan, which is designed to take away the stress of the evening meal for you. I know as a mother of 3 young children that time of the night can be really stressful. And often if we haven't thought about what we're putting on the table, we end up throwing an unhealthy meal dish on and feeling really guilty about it. So it takes away that stress for you. It's all about saving time and saving money. So being online, you can do it from wherever you want. You get emailed 4 recipes per week, plus a baking or a dessert, and prep ahead tips, a shopping list. But because you're buying your own ingredients, you're still completely in control. So if that's something that appeals to you, have a look at www.wickedwellbeing.com/kitchen club, and we're starting on the 20th of February. If we've got a 2-for-1 deal that if you want to join with a friend, you save 50%, so it's half price, or we've got an early bird special until the 14th of February, which is $97. So yes, if you've got any questions, just post them below the video. Otherwise, we would absolutely love to see you on the Kitchen Club. Enjoy!